not bury it upside down, because we could have just honestly opened it in the ground, and then you guys could have just left it there and then put your stuff in.
Is there a handle on the bucket?
There it is.
Whoa.
It's upside down.
It's upside
down.
I remember my classmate, Ryan Finnegan, who was very strong, doing all of this. I personally don't really remember what I put in. So I'm very intrigued to see what ailed a 19-year-old me. And my favorite memory of the Student Success Center was going to the team building experience behind Six Flags. Do you remember that? It was a ropes course. It was really cool. We had to coach each other on where to put our hands next. We had to climb up this, like, I don't know how tall structure on bungees.
It was part of a project where we had gone to the Cahokia Mounds, and they had done something about like how, what was it, something like civilization's ending, or what causes the downfall, or how did Cahokia end, because it's a big mystery. And then there were artifacts there that I remember them finding, like a big eagle thing. Oh!
I got it. There we go. Wow. Okay, sure. Ooh, it's in this.
Ooh. Why didn't we have a lid?
We have an Ed Hardy sweatshirt.
Oh my gosh, that's got to be Finnegan's.
Damp. That's damp. Light bulbs.
What?
Well,
Aren't those illegal now?
Watch, it tells you what time it is. It's important because it tells you the time.
Oh, we wrote it down.
oh,
It means
Genius.
It means people used to wear things on their arms.
There's a letter.
That told time.
Dear Mr.
Keychain, it holds your keys. It's important because I can never keep my keys together, and it has the St. Louis Cardinals baseball team on it, so it shows sports history. It also shows that I was born in St. Louis.
Nice.
Success is how high you bounce when you hit the bottom. Remember this quote, I hope I get to the box in the future, and I hope I can get on track and make something of myself. We will see in 20 years what happens.
It was pretty cool figuring out like what's gonna happen, like when I want to come back in 10 years and dig it up.
Pokemon cards.
Just cool. A lot of physical exercise and a lot of mosquitoes.
Some people don't think history is very important. What do you think?
I find it not. I say a lot of it's important. There's some trivial stuff, but you want to know our past, and 10 may not seem, years may not seem like a lot, but in the grand, to us, it is like 10% of our lives, if you live to 100.
I'm happy to be here. It's okay.
I'm
that
so
was
glad.
Truly fun.
Oh, that was my thing.
Is this yours for your
Yeah,
kid?
that's my oldest son.
Aww. Yeah, you can take that.
Very cute.
That's awesome.